DJ Mind the Gap.
What's up, my people? You know what time it is. Today's the 1st of August. Let's celebrate this wonderful lady, Folayemi, aka Simply Yemzy, London Birthday's MC. What you saying today? Today's your birthday, and I got a question for you.
Are you okay?
You know what time it is? You remain the founder, CEO, Decree Champions. You've been doing great, lady. Keep on the good work. Let's celebrate you today. The what? The what? Folayemi, Simply Yemzy. Very simple. Okay. This goes out to you. That's what your fans are saying for you tonight. Aha.
50 girls on default.
1st of August.
Now you be the one I go kill for.
It's your day.
Baby girl, you DJ.
Aha.
Handcuff me.
I'm come Ginger Man the Gap right now.
Baby, 1 in a million.
1 in a million.
Baby, chop
Are
up
you
a
ready?
million.
Folayemi,
Like David, you get the fire.
CEO,
Fire.
Sickle Champion.
Baby, man.
All something 1974.
She said,
Aha. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. Let me do something right now.
Go. Girl, it's your birthday. Go, shout it. You know it's your birthday. Are you okay? Go, shout it. Are you okay? Yeah, it's your birthday. Are you okay? Go, shout it. Are you okay? No, it's your birthday. Come on, Lale. Dance with the beat, no, they frustrate me. Love in the way you concentrate. The way that you went at your birthday. Look at it.
Okay. This is for Mato. Olori Oba Mato. Mato asked me to ask you. Are you listening? Mato say make I ask you, say, are you okay? 1, 2, let's go. This is from Oba Mato. Your lovely husband. Listen.
I want to use my money to scatter your brain.
That's what we want to do for you, Yemzy. Look the bodies. Aha, let's go. 1, 2.
I want to use my to shift your womb.
He said they want to shift your youth. Are you ready for that one? Aha, yeah, okay. But you want to shift your youth. Don't be your womb, your youth. Aha. Yemzy, are you ready for the next track? This from your fans, you know. This is what you would do for all the people with the sickle cell. Listen.
You like a sugar mommy.
Okay. This goes out to you. Simply MC. 1, 2.
I slap police for your case. I go to war for your case.
DJ
Okay.
Mind the Gap.
Yeah.
I can't be breathed.
Up above the Simply MC.
Die for your case. I punch the judge for your case.
This is what you do
Anything you want.
since 1974
That's for you.
for the sickle champions.
I guess you.
Aha. I know you will go miles for them.
I guess you.
Well done, lady. You've done well.
I guess you.
We all love you, Simply MC.
I guess you.
This is from you, for you, and you. Aha. Where is Mato? That guy loves you, die, you know. So happy for you tonight. Aha. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go.
I go show for your case. I go slack back baby for your case. I go call MC Oluomo. I go report all of them. I go show for your case. I go slack back baby for your case. I go call MC Oluomo. I go report all of them. So tell me what the hell. If not to Tommy Domi, we go chop. If not to Soki Gari, we go Soki. What the hell are you waiting for?
Ready for this one? I've got a question for you. Ready? 1, 2, 1. Oh.
Every time, why
Yepsy.
hello, Tessie, have you sent?
Yepsy.
You don't even know what you do to me.
Okay now, what you say right now?
You be scam.
Uh-huh.
I dey follow you for back.
Happy birthday.
Baby, you blow my mind.
I no go lie. That's Mato saying that too.
See, baby, if you want to leave for big.
One more time, Yemzy, baby.
No do shakara.
No go carry your shoulder, oh. Yemzy.
You see me so, baby. Now because of you, I don't go. See, I don't they go. One ticket for go.
Mato don't kolo, Yemzy. What are you talking about right now?
Hello. Me, I know they hear you again.
Let me do some mix for you right now. Are you ready for the next track?
Meanwhile, Rosita, they hello.
Are you ready to Sensima?
You break my heart today.
Sensima.
Me, I go sharply the play.
Sensima.
Carry another
Okay.
baby.
Give her what she wants. Yemzy.
Smart thing you done the vex. You done the other Uber.
Yemzy, no cool down.
Veronica.
Yemzy, now only Veronica go cool down. You don't go cool down. 1, 2, let's go.
See, baby, if you want to leave, go big, go leave. Don't do shakara. Don't they carry your shoulder, oh. As you see me so, baby, now because of you, I don't go low. See, I don't they go. What you can so good, don't you?
Longing to see.
Okay, this is a birthday dance for Simply Yemzy. Go collect that one. Simply Yemzy. Okay.
DJ Mind the
1, 2,
Gap.
1, 2, 1, 2. Let me see your body do correct. Oh, Yemzy. Sensima. 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 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, let's go. Hey, up above the Simply Yemzy. Honda, single champion from 1974. Well done, my sister. It's our day. Enjoy it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. One more time. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, let's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. Up above day, Folayemi, aka Simply Yemzy, London baddest MC, founder, Stickle Champions. This is your day, eh? Olori Obama too. Enjoy yourself. This is a body game man the gap. Take it.